Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel TechAns. So today I get the following one error notification while I try to open my Free Fire mobile game and it shows error download failed and retry. So how to fix this kind of error messages in your Android mobile or iOS device? But before going to our tutorial, first of all, why this error notification happening? And my guessing is if your mobile data network or Wi-Fi network not working properly and this type of error is occurring because here it does not enable my mobile data connection or Wi-Fi connection. So due to this reason this type of error is occurring. So you can check your data connection. So next, if your data network or Wi-Fi network works properly, then how to troubleshoot this issue? So by simple method is just open your settings menu and then go to application management or app section. So you can click to open it and it shows me all install applications. So here you can locate that Free Fire application and then click to open it. But before going to the process, first of all click to force stop your Free Fire and then go to storage. So finally you can click to clear the tab data by simply press this clear data option and then click to OK. So once you done these processes, so just close all the settings menu and then restart your Android mobile or iOS device. So after the restarting is completed, now one more time I try to access my Free Fire because I try to check it if this error message is gone or not. So finally you can see now my Free Fire starts to ready and the previously occurred error message is also gone. So this is the way you can easily fix your Free Fire download failed issue by watching my tutorial. For more tech videos you can subscribe my beautiful tech channel TechAns, and thanks for watching.